Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have some items that I purchased from Michael's and some items that I purchased from Temu, which is something I haven't done in a long time. So let me share with you what I got from Michael's. So I had been seeing everyone, not everyone, but a lot of videos where people were hauling these stickers. They are vinyl die cut stickers. It's 18 pieces. I got 2 packs, so I have one open to share with you. These are super cute, kind of vintage looking. The spooky house, the cat, lollipop, and then the skull. Most likely won't be using the skull. I don't like skulls and coffins and skeletons. I don't like that for Halloween, which is kind of strange, I know, but I don't. And then the little ones they have, let me get those, if I can pick them up here. They have little candy corns and ghosts. Ghosts are really popular this year. It seems like a lot of ghost things, bats, and then the black cats. Now, one thing I have to say that I don't like about these, they are stickers, which is awesome, but they have this, they're cut in two so you can easily remove them, but I'm afraid that you'll be able to see the line. Maybe not so much on this cat, but I didn't like that about them. Maybe once you adhere them, you can just kind of use your bone folder or something to get that cut line for you know, the little release paper off of the item. So then I got this little 215 piece sticker book. So these are really cute. They also kind of have that vintagey look. I think it's the it just says Halloween, Recollection Halloween. So, but these are really pretty. You got some little strips here. And look at these pumpkins. They look like they are fun. And then candy, I really like this one. I wish they had a couple of sheets of that one, but it's only one sheet of each one. And then it has some sentiments. Hunting we will go, making mischief, beware the witching hour, happy Halloween, boil, toil and trouble. So with Halloween, if you're a crafter for Halloween, you know that there are only so many sentiments that you can find. So I don't think I've ever seen making mischief. I like that one. But of course we've seen something wicked this way come. So super cute. Booty you, I like that. And then the bats, they're looking pretty spooky. The foil, and of course some ghosts, but I was trying to, yeah, these are individual, and then the sentiment, I think you can, I don't know, you can't take, yeah, the sentiment comes out too, so pretty cool. And then the black cat, and then the owl. How cute are those? I really like that one sitting on top of the pumpkin. And then some more strips, kind of like washi strips, but stickers. And then the skulls, which I don't like, but I like the boo and the eek and the spooky, but won't be using those. Those are too creepy. And then I got the paper pad. Now this is vintage spirits, 30 designs, 3 sheets of each design. And let's take a look. There's 90 pages in here, so that's a lot. So I like the ghosts. Got the bats, just background paper, and it's just interesting. Like this with the candy. Like, so some really cute designs like that. This one is just so spooky looking with the skull and the jack-o'-lantern and the cat looking all evil. Ghost, I like that one. Candy corn, how many of you like candy corn? Never liked candy corn, even as a kid. Super cute. So when I look at a paper pad, I try to determine how many pages I don't like, and that helps me decide if I'm gonna purchase it. When you're in the store, you know, it's kind of hard to get a full view of the paper, but you know, you can peel it back enough to see, or you can look at the outside and say, hey, you know, I don't like this many sheets and I'd like this many sheets. So I thought this was a pretty good deal. It was on sale, 40% off at Michael's. So now I have a Temu haul. I don't know what I ordered. I haven't opened the packaging, so let's explore together. Got the scissors here. Let's see what all I purchased, probably on some late night after watching some videos. I think I was watching Leanna on It's a Deal, and she had some really pretty paper. I think that's who it was. So I got a chunk of stuff here. Let's put it aside and look at each one. So apparently it's all Halloween. So I tried to turn it the right way, but the name is different than the paper direction. So let's see what we got here. All right, adorable little kitty. Sweet little candy corns and pumpkins, witch's hat. This paper is thin and it has kind of like a sheen feel to it. Look at the little pumpkins, super cute. And the kitties. Love this bow page. Wish they had a couple of those. This is adorable. This could be used just for, well, it has a bat on it and ghosts. I was going to say for fall, but I don't think so. It's Halloween. This paper, look at that. No, those are creepy looking with their little faces. Let's see, I'm missing a page here. Cute and cute. So we got that. Man, I got a lot of stuff. And then I got these old school looking, well, I should say vintage looking pumpkins. Here, let's look at this packaging. Should have opened this so I could get all this crinkly paper. I don't know. Oh, I think this is a banner. Yeah. And I guess you're supposed to cut out. Oh, they pop out. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at that. I think I'll be, oh man, this is funny. I don't know, is a wolf, is he part of Halloween? Look at that witch. And oh, look at his little curly at the top. That's cute. And they give you the ribbon to hang it with. So there was a little banner. Oh my goodness, let me hurry up here. Video's gonna be long. And I think I remember these. Yeah, little card fronts. Oh man, I'm gonna have to make up some cards. Ew, I don't like that. That's creepy. Ooh, super creepy. I like that. Oh, I really like him. Look at him. Oh. I don't do cemetery, so I'll be using that. I like that one. Look at that spooky spider. So some of these may go to a new home because some of them are just, wow, isn't he pretty? A little too spooky for me. Oh, I like that one. All right, I'm hurrying. Now my neighbor is weed eating, so hopefully it's not too distracting, but trying to move along quickly here. Oh, and this is just a decorative piece. Oh, look, that's so cute. It's very thick and can stand up. Oh man, he's cute. Oh wow, I was just like buying some stuff, wasn't I? And here's a little wreath. Aw. don't like that. I don't know. I'm surprised. Like I say, late night shopping, because I wasn't about that with him on there. But otherwise it's cute. Very cute. Oh, okay. I guess I got another little decorative piece. I don't know. I like to decorate my desk at work. So I've got enough stuff going on here. Look at this piece. So cute. Once again, can stand up fairly easy. I like, oh, look at him. I really like him. Okay. Look at him. He's cute. And he stands up. Yep. So this is my haul, my Temu haul. I guess I was on the hunt for some Halloween items. I think of all the items I got, I think this little wood piece right here is the cute. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching. I know this video was a little long, but I appreciate your watching. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Click the like button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.